Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best non-stick aluminum 8-quart stockpot on the market, the Bezia 8-quart cooking pot. Whether you're simmering stews or boiling pasta, this pot is designed to handle it all, especially for families of 3 to 5. Let's break down why this particular pot is such a standout in kitchens everywhere. First, let's talk about its design and construction. This 8-quart stockpot is crafted from premium quality aluminum, which means it delivers exceptional heat distribution. That's critical when you're cooking large batches of soup or stew. No hot spots, no uneven cooking. The base is engineered to be warp resistant, so even under high heat, this pot maintains its shape and efficiency. What sets this pot apart from many others in its category is its ultra non-stick interior. It's PFOA-free, and the coating is designed to provide up to 3 times better food release. That means less oil, easier cleaning, and no more scrubbing stuck on food from the bottom. This is particularly useful when you're cooking starchy dishes like thick stews or pasta sauces that usually stick. It comes with a shatter-resistant glass lid that seals tightly, locking in heat and moisture. The clear lid lets you monitor your food without lifting it off and losing that built-up steam. Whether you're slow cooking or doing a quick boil, you have visual control at every stage. One of the most user-friendly features is the ergonomically designed stainless steel handles. They're sturdy and offer a comfortable grip, even when the pot is full. Handling an 8-quart pot filled with liquid can be tricky, but Bezia's handle design makes it easy to maneuver between stovetop and sink. The pot is also extremely versatile when it comes to cooktop compatibility. It works seamlessly with induction, gas, electric, and halogen stovetops. So regardless of what kind of stove you have, this pot is ready to perform. And yes, it's also oven safe, so you can start something on the stovetop and finish it in the oven without switching cookware. Cleanup is quick and simple. The pot is dishwasher safe, and thanks to its rimless edge design, there's no place for food or grease to hide. You can trust that each wash gets it thoroughly clean with very little effort. Now let's talk size. The 8-quart capacity makes this ideal for batch cooking, meal prepping, or feeding a family of 5 with ease. To give you an idea of volume, this pot can hold enough chili or stew to serve around 10 to 12 hearty portions. That means one cook and clean cycle can set you up with multiple meals. And let's not forget how this pot looks. The sleek gray finish gives it a modern and stylish appearance, perfect for open shelving or a hanging pot rack display. It's not just functional, it adds to your kitchen's aesthetic. To wrap it up, the Bezia 8-quart cooking pot is an all-in-one solution for home cooks who value performance, durability, and ease of use. With its premium aluminum construction, non-stick surface, universal cooktop compatibility, and thoughtful design features, it earns its place as one of the top-rated stockpots in its class. If you're ready to upgrade your cookware, this might just be the last stockpot you need to buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown on the best products for your home. See you in the next video.